What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll be taking you through the Steam Summer Sale 2023. From the 29th of June, today, until July the 13th, we have the Steam Summer Sale where tons of games are on sale and things like that, but what we're really interested in is what we can get out of it. 2022, there were quests to do, but now for some reason there doesn't seem to be that much, which is a little bit sad. This doesn't seem to be such a themed sale, but at least we still have a new badge to go with. Something to make note of is you can use the sale to level up your account even without spending any money. On the Steam store page, simply scroll down after signing in and you should see this section here where we can claim a free daily sticker. All you need to do is browse by category and visit a category in order to claim a free sticker, so click anything here, and when you do, you'll be taken across to another page. Scroll down, we can claim reward here. After doing so, we'll get a free sticker, and it should tell us how long we need to wait in order to get another one. It's pretty simple, and of course you can send these over your Steam chat, etc. to spice up communications with friends. Scrolling down further, we should have the discovery queue down here, where we can get a free trading card every day just by exploring our discovery queue. I'd highly recommend doing this. All we need to do is click this section here to open up your discovery queue, then simply click through all 11 or 12 games here just by clicking next in queue, and after spamming through all of these here, we should end up with a free card. Unfortunately, there's only one card, you can't do 2 queues, and we can come back tomorrow to earn another card. Now, on the store page here, the more money you spend, the more cards you'll get to level up your profile, so if you've been waiting to buy games, now's probably the best time. Buying games and DLC should count towards earning cards for the Steam Summer Sale, and oftentimes in-game purchases, but not for every game as far as I understand. Obviously, this is one of the ways that you can level up your account passively, just while using Steam as per usual. A card a day and a sticker a day isn't too much, but if we go ahead and check out our profile, then our badges page, we should see here Summer in the City. If we click this, you'll see that we need 11 cards in order to complete this, and there should be tons of these going around that you can trade with friends, etc. And if we were to buy the remaining cards on the market, currently it seems they're not on sale just yet. I think it's probably 24 hours until you can trade these or market them. I'll head to my inventory and select it. No, okay, well, anyways, not too sure why this didn't come up on Steam, but whatever. You should be able to buy these on Steam sometime soon. Now, the thing is that you can collect these cards on as many accounts as you like, but I'm pretty sure they will need to have some activity in the past year in order to claim free cards, as in spending a bit of money on Steam. If you have alt accounts and things like that, I'd highly recommend swapping between your accounts and collecting cards daily so you can trade them to your main and level up your account slowly. You can also buy these cards directly, and the entire set will usually be around $1 or $2, which is okay, but obviously it's not the most efficient way of leveling up your profile. But unfortunately, it seems the max level for this Summer Sale badge is 40, much like the previous Summer Sale badges, so you won't be able to get too much out of it. But hey, it's a new badge to add to your profile, and of course, as the sale goes on, these cards should get a lot cheaper, and hopefully you can grab yourself a few profile level ups pretty much for free. But there is another way to get cards for this that you may not even have thought of, and that's crafting other badges. That's the cool thing about these sales, is if I go ahead and get myself missing cards here, then craft a badge as such, you should see that when the badge is complete, we'll get XP as normal and a trading card. So if we were to craft 11 badges, or badge levels rather, we'll have probably another Summer in the City badge level to go up, which is great. That's a free extra 100 XP per level up to 40 levels, so if there's any time that you want to be leveling up your Steam account, it's probably now. While you can search and buy hundreds of cards yourself, you can also really simplify the process by using level up bots. For example, FZ, a level up bot who sponsored this video, you can trade them in-game keys like Team Fortress 2 keys for complete card sets that you can then instantly craft into badges and level up your account. Currently, they're offering 10 keys to 1 Counter-Strike key, so that's 10 badge levels per key. All you need to do is add the bot, which you'll find linked in the description down below, message them, and you'll see a response like this. Using the help or commands command, you'll get more info on how to use the bot, but if we go ahead and check out our profile, for example, you'll see we're currently level 42 here. But if we pull up the bot and type in level 100, it'll tell us how many card sets we need to level up to level 100. Obviously, you could put in any number here. For example, I'll need 440 sets, which is absolutely insane, and I could complete this with 55 TF keys or 44 Counter-Strike keys. Let's say we'll level up our account to 100 using this bot, so I'll offer it 55 keys. It'll send us 440 sets of cards, and just like that, we'll get a trade offer. Make sure you use the button here and verify you're trading with the correct bot by checking at the very top. Scrolling down, you'll see just how many cards we're getting, and this is absolutely insane. It'll probably take a while to load in all these pictures. If we go ahead and confirm the trade, which is somewhere in the middle, there we go, confirm. After completing probably the biggest trade I have on Steam yet, we've landed up with 22 badges here, of which we can go through and craft all of these manually, or we could do them all at once using a simple extension I created called the Steam Card Assistant. You can download this for Chrome or Firefox, and after doing so, you'll see a new badge here that lets you craft one of each. All we need to do is click this, and in just a few seconds, you should see that it runs through thousands of cards, and we end up crafting a ton of badges. So we're at level 46, crafting one of each. 90 badges, one of each, 91. I think Steam's a bit confused, but we're already at level 56, 61, crafting even more, 66. We're getting there. Obviously, we'll need to click this a few times. And on top of this, we can also craft multiples of one badge, for example, 5 of these at once, to really speed up the process. Usually, you'd be doing this manually. And there we go, we've now landed at level 100, and we have tons of these cards to go around, even Summer in the City foil cards. So the foil cards are essentially the same as the normal badge, just that they have a gold outline and they're really inflated on the Steam market. For example, these will probably go for 10 times the amount of the normal badges, and you can get this one up to level 40 as well. It'll just give you the same amount of XP for a much more expensive price. But anyway, as you can see, I've already taken up my Summer Sale badge by 8 levels, which is 800 XP. And on top of this, we have, 32, 25, 29, 40, tons of these cards lying around. I could happily craft, 18 more levels of this badge, taking us to 26, which will probably be another few levels, literally for free, leveling up my account as usual. You literally get free levels just for leveling your account, as you would usually on Steam. And literally within minutes, we've reached level 100. With tons of these extra cards lying around, I'd highly recommend selling foil badges if you happen to get any, and just end up buying normal badges. You could probably sell 1 or 2 of these, and maybe even get yourself a few levels of the normal badge. The foil cards are really hyperinflated. Anyways, beyond that, unfortunately there isn't anything too crazy with this current sale. It's a bit of a dry one, but at least we have another badge to go around to help people spice up their profile and get a few more levels. Obviously, getting a few free levels on that is great, as if you plan on leveling up your account anyways, it's definitely worthwhile doing it now rather than later. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide, so hopefully you found something useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.